So no more swerving of your hips like you would a regular hula hoop because it doesn't work. So don't do it. Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not. And if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I have reviewed 2 other weighted hula hoops. So the first one I wasn't a fan of. The second one I actually liked, but this one is my favorite of the 2. Now this smart hula hoop is very similar to the last one that I reviewed, but it's been upgraded with 2 important features. So they've improved the way it fits around your waist, and they also improved the ease of how to put it together and take it apart. So if any of this interests you so far, be sure to check the description box below or the pinned comment where I'll leave the link to purchase this product, as well as time codes to skip ahead in this video if you choose, and other helpful information. So I'm gonna get into the details of this hula hoop a little later in this video, but first I just wanna make sure you guys know how to use this and to get the most out of your hula hoop workouts. Now first off, I love that this is a very unique and fun way to burn calories and body fat while also strengthening your core muscles and boosting your overall cardiovascular fitness. You'll also notice that you're not only working your abs, but also your quads, your hips, and your calves. So clearly the concept of the smart hula hoop is that the hula hoop will never fall, unlike your traditional hula hoop, but the only challenge is to make sure that you get your coordination and your timing right. So I'm going to show you the easiest technique that I use that helps me to allow the ball to continue going around in a circular motion. So as I mentioned in my other 2 previous hula hoop videos, the first technique is that you want to make sure you have one foot in front of the other, and then you'll just rock back and forth.
The good thing about the smart hula hoop is this can be shared with the entire family, so you almost forget that you're even working out. I normally like to do a 10 to 15 minute workout as a warm-up to my workout, or that could be my actual workout.
It's also very important, as I'll explain a little later in the video, that you want to make sure that the length of the string holding the ball is to your liking, because for me, I like to have it a little bit closer, but some people might like to extend it a little further. So no more swerving of your hips like you would a regular hula hoop because it doesn't work. So don't do it. So all you would do is toss the ball to the left, going counterclockwise with your right foot in front, but then always make sure that you work both of your sides, so then you'll toss the ball to the right with your left foot in front for even distribution. So the other technique is where you have your feet spread apart and you'll just move your hips side to side, and if you want, you can almost do a skipping motion where you're jumping side to side. So they suggest a 30-minute workout session once every 4 days, or once every 1 to 2 days to really notice the difference. And what I really like about the upgraded hula hoop is that with the new design, this contraption really conforms to your stomach, and you're able to loosen it or tighten it based on your liking. And what it does is it reduces the friction when the hula hoop is shaking. And the cool thing is that 30 minutes of hula hooping is equivalent to 30 minutes of swimming, 45 minutes of jogging, 25 minutes of cycling, and 60 minutes of yoga. Alright, so now that you know how this works, let's get into the details of this hula hoop. But first, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new products that I may review that I know will be of interest to you. Also, be sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful to you, I would totally appreciate that thumbs up. Don't be afraid to share. But for now, let's continue on to the review. Alright, so this hula hoop weighs 3 pounds, and it has 2 weighted gravity plates within this ball that weigh a combined 0.8 pounds. And the good thing is that since this comes with 2 gravity plates within this ball, all you have to do to remove it to increase or decrease the weight is just unscrew this screw right there. And as I mentioned earlier, you're able to adjust the length of this cord by sliding it up or sliding it down. And this also has 7 detachable sections, also comes with an extra one, and it's designed to fit a waist of 27.5 to 45.5 inches. So as I mentioned earlier, this core stabilizer is what allows you to adjust the hula hoop to your liking. And this is how it works. You literally just turn this here. So if you want to tighten it, just suck your stomach in a little bit, and as you can see, it adjusts to the circumference of your waist. Then all you would do is, once you have it in the position that you want, you just turn this adjuster here clockwise, and now it's stabilized in place. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this upgraded design makes it much easier to assemble and disassemble the smart hula hoop. Just like all the others, it has these little grooves here, and basically you just press them in, and it just comes apart. And if you wanted to take away the links as you lose weight, take that off. To put it back together, you literally just snap it back in. Simple as that. And similar to the last hula hoop that I reviewed, I do love that this also comes with a counter as well. And what I noticed about this counter is that for every 20 rotation, it equals 1. The rotating axle has also been upgraded to provide a smoother glide. But the one thing that I did notice that all of these smart hula hoops have in common is, unfortunately, they all are a bit noisy. I mean, again, it's not a deal breaker, but it's just something to keep in mind. So this smart hula hoop is one of many products that I've tried that I know will help you to get in shape. But for more, be sure to check out my workout playlist that I've attached, or you can find it under the playlist tab on my channel. But as always, if you enjoy the content on this channel, as seen by SB, where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not, this upgraded weighted smart hula hoop is definitely SB approved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below if you think working out with a smart hula hoop is legit or a gimmick. But until next time, stay fit and take care.